This next look here is a fun, artsy, abstract heart that you won't need any extra tools for, just the brush that comes out of the bottle. For this look, I'll be using the colors Emflowered, Bloom with a View, and Strong as Shell. First, we're going to apply 2 coats of Emflowered to the nail plate, allowing 1 to 2 minutes between each coat to dry. Now, for our first color, a Bloom with a View, we're going to open it up and we're going to make sure that all the product is removed from the brush. Remove it from the rod as well to make sure it doesn't drip down the brush. This is what's called a dry brushing technique. So super, super dry brush. And then we're going to, on an angle across the nail, we're just going to lightly flick down. You can add a little bit more pressure up here at the top where you want that curvature of the heart shape, and then flick up and use less pressure near the bottom. We're going to let that dry for 1 to 2 minutes, and then we're going to go in with our second color. For the second color, I'm going to use Strong as Shell, and I'm going to do the same thing I did with the red. I'm going to remove as much product as possible from the brush. Nice dry brush technique. And then I'm going to start on the other side, on the opposite angle, doing the same thing, more pressure up here at the top curvature of the heart and less pressure as we get to the bottom, and just kind of flicking it up and creating that really cool little abstract paint throw look. We're going to allow that to dry for 1 to 2 minutes, and then we're going to apply our top coat. Apply your top coat to seal in your design and cap your free edge.